driving here. Man, it's crazy how much damage was done here. It's heartbreaking, but that Ukrainian resolve, man, they cleaned up so quickly. Just trying to get back to some semblance of order, whatever that means. I don't have a clue.
I don't think you should.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop here in a minute. Man, they've cleaned this place up quick. It is super impressive. Everybody just wants to get back to normal.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, whatever normal means now. I don't know.
That's the bridge.
They've cleaned a lot up, but still a lot of damage. Man, they're cleaning things up quick here in Bucha. So but all right, we got to our little spot here in Bucha and starting to bring in the food and supplies, so it's good. It's good to go empty out this vehicle and then get ready for another one.